Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And where are my ladies? Where are my ladies? Ladies, we got a watch face for you all to check out that I think you are going to love. Sorry about the long delay. We're going to get on top of that. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up, ladies? Welcome back for another video. Today we got an awesome lineup for you all. It's only two in all, but I'm telling you, it is awesome, right? Now, guys, you may like this too, and or you may want to check this out for your ladies. Very awesome look. Now, you know PW, he always does this thing. He never ceases to amaze, and he has the ladies in mind. Now, this watch face is called PW60 Lady Sport. In the always on mode, you're going to get digital time. You're also going to get your step status as well. And when the watch face is on, I'm loving the look. In spite of the fact that it's the ladies' watch face, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you can see it rotating nice and slow, which gives this watch face an awesome look. You come down, you're going to get info on your battery status. You also get the day of the week as well. You get your time and stack. You also get your date. You come down a little bit further, you're going to get your step status and your heart rate, which is important to most people. Now, you can also customize the theme of the watch, and I can change the color of the watch face color, well, the flower, and I thought that was very nice. Cycle through, just so you can see what you'll be in for when you download this watch face, which I thought was awesome. And you can change the background as well. Double tap, and it changes the background color as well to your liking. I'm telling you, I thought this was a real awesome look, guys. I say, ladies, check this out in the Gear Manager store. I'm thinking for the ladies, this is what to download. Check it out. All right, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number two. This one you're gonna love just as well. The name of it is called Genisis Female. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get a similar look like you would if the watch face is on, and you get your digital time, you get what's important. And when the watch face is on, I really like the layout and the design, although it's very subtle. You also get a nice legible digital time. You get your battery info to the right of that. Up at the top, you get the day of the week. You also get your date. And what's important to most women is your steps. You come down, you get shortcuts. Everybody loves shortcuts, right? But the thing about it, you have to double tap in order to go into it. That's not bad considering that the watch face is actually free in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you download this one. And if I tap dead center right there, I can eliminate it to a degree. It just dims it down, gives me a new look. Not a bad look at all, but I'm thinking it looks better when it's on. And if I tap right over here on the top, I do get an opportunity to get my weather, which I thought was important, and I get my battery info status as well. Ladies, I'm thinking this is a good look. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on these two watch faces and if you are going to download it. All right. Again, this is the weekend. Sorry for the long delay for the women watch faces, and we're going to try to get on top of that. Okay. With that being said, if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on the way out if you like this video. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. TGIF.